are back at the Bud Light sign, putting it back together. So I'm gonna twist some wires here. Actually, got ahead of myself. Taking my tie wire, I don't need it to be this long, so I'm just cutting it with scissors. Works great. Just copper tie wire. So what you do is you put a hook in it like this, then you grab one side and you cross over, you come back up, twist in the middle, then grab both wires in a helicopter, go around and around. Hope you've seen that. Then you cut it off with the scissors, and there you go. So now we're gonna put this together, since we know that this is all in the right place. Just those together. You want to support your electrodes when you're doing this. And slide this back, support your electrode. Never do anything like this without supporting the electrode. Gotta make sure all the wiring's under the, there we go. Perfect. Okay. And we'll wire this up. This is a transformer lead. Okay, so we just start tie all this on. So you hook it, hook, go across. You want to make an X. Just like that. You grab it if you want to, and you helicopter round and around. Makes it nice and tight. Depends on situations if you do that. It has to be setting on the tube support when you do the helicopter, or you'll, if it's for some reason not touching and you suck it down to the tube support, you'll break a unit. So you got to be careful doing the helicopter. One more here. I'm missing a electrode cap. Okay, I've got a new boot to put on. Can't see what I'm doing here, but I can do this. So I've got a electrode and a GTL. It's really heavy wire, so I'm using my Leatherman to tighten that all up. And then I'll slide this over. Just like that. And it is ready to plug up. All right, I got an extension cord here. We're going to plug it up, see if it works. There it is. So that's rebuilt the border and just reblocked out the Bud Light. Now I need Let's see if it fuzzes me when I do this. No. I prefer these over dikes because they're spring loaded. Just cut those right off. Hope you can see them. I think you probably can there. All right, that's here. Cut. Oh, we got to finish tying on actually. No, we're not done. Sometimes when a sign, the transformer is overloaded or even underloaded sometimes, it's pushing way too much glass or not enough, you can get zapped. That's a really good indicator your transformer size is either too small or too big. I see I need to fix the paint a little bit here. This is quality control. So we got some paint on the face. Something got a little sloppy. I'm not sure what happened. Well, I got so much paint up there, but there might have been some bubbles I didn't see that pop, and then they throw a little bit of paint like that. Okay. I think we got her. I should use a piece of steel wool. Knock all those small bits off maybe. So now I've got a little bit of a zap there between, I was close to this and this at the same time. And it gave me a little fuzz. I'm used to it, but I still don't like getting bit or fuzzed. Okay. There we go.